Tsukune? Tsukune. It's a Japanese skewer made out of ground chicken, and it's typically yakitori. The one I'm making right now is not very authentic. We're not cooking it over bichiton. We're not incorporating cartilage. There's a bunch of stuff that goes into this, and we're just making it at home. So this is a simple version made with ground chicken, green onions, garlic, all mixed together. And then once you have your farce all mixed, grab some skewers and shape it over the skewers into an elongated meatball. Forming it with wet hands help you shape it a little bit easier. I hit it with a little bit of salt, and then before you cook it, make sure you have a tare on hand. It's a sauce that's sweet, salty, and umami, and it's really delicious. It's made out of a reduction of soy, sake, sugar, and mirin. You just mix it together in a pot, and then reduce it down until it's nappe. Now, back to the chicken. Lightly oil a pan because we don't have a grill, and you're going to want to cook them over medium heat, trying to get as much color on them as possible. Once they're about 3/4 of the way cooked, start brushing on that tare and brush it on in a couple of coats. You want it kind of thick and sticky. This stuff's pretty punchy, so it's really good. I like mine served with a little bit of togarashi, some green onions, and Kewpie mayo with a side of rice. Yakitori is one of my favorite types of foods, and these have to be one of my favorite types of yakitori. They're really simple, you should give them a try. We live stream all of our dinners, so if you want to hang out and chat, hit us up on Twitch. And as always, I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, and I'll see you later.